Hello friends, welcome back to e-commerce project in Laravel 10. Last video we have discussed about the maker review. In this video we can cover view the review, means once anybody can make a review, so we need to show here directly review like inside product. Suppose I am going to our database ecommerce.com, so inside we have did like a one table like a product review. On product review inside we have store all the information. You can see it here. Let's open, just wait few minutes more. Here you can see it here like who is user id, who is his review, what is the star. So we can cover in this video all thing how we can make a review. Before we can start, you are new in this channel, otherwise in this series, so please subscribe and please press the bell icon, so whatever content we are uploading, so always get the notification and you can start immediately new thing learning. And also, do you want to buy any script, just go to our official website rfsolutioncode.com and you can buy it. And also, do you want to develop as a freelancer work, just contact Telegram, WhatsApp and Skype. Okay, so let's start now. So first of all, we need to go to product detail page. So product detail page, inside we need to get a whatever review here there inside a product review tables, we need a get, means we need to get as a array like inside database. So just need to go app http controller inside a products. Let's make some zoom out. So just here you can see like product search, just scroll down. So here you can see it like a product details, like get category, inside we did product details, like you are follow the series, so you can better way understand what I did here. Suppose I die and I just go back and refresh the page, so you can better way understand. Okay, it is going here. Okay, so simply you need to do like a dollar data get review. Get review. Now we need to call here is a controller for the product review. So just go to models, inside you can see it like a product review model. Just copy this name and you can put here, and after you can call same function inside a model. And here you need to pass your product id. So here we are getting the product id, so I can pass here product id inside a parameter. Now I am declare for this model in here, like use models, brand models, just copy and here we can paste. Okay, now we need to go to for this model and we need to create a new function like get review, and also we need to pass one parameter. Okay, here's already there get review, so we can make like get review product. And also you need to change here get review product because already there one function. Just copy now and you can go to like a product review model. Here you can type like static function and here you can change like get review product, and here you can pass like a product id. Same thing, you can just go up and you need to copy all thing and here you can put. Now here you can use like a paginate because we don't want to work directly, this reason you can use like paginate like a 13s, I think 20 is maximum. Okay, and if we don't need order id, we don't need product id, you can leave it. And just you can make here join query for the users table because we need only his user whatever data there for the user. Sometimes users removed, so we need to verify users dot id product review dot user id. Okay, now here you can make star for the product review. So you can see it now. Also you can make concat here, so he can understand which table against we need to make a condition. Also you can do it like order by descending order, so latest review always showing the first. Product review dot id descending. Okay, so query is ready now. Now we need to go back again and we need to show name, so I think we need to pass like a user's name. So just you can make like users dot name. Also we need a name here, you can see it here. Let's refresh the page so you can understand better way. So you can see it here, also we need a name, you see. Okay, so you can leave it for the name. So now we need to go back and we need to copy this name and go to like product inside details. So resources, views, product, here you can see detail.blade.php. Just scroll down, so here you can see it like a review parts because of other things to already made dynamic, so we don't have to worry about that, like additional description, shipping returns, all things we have done dynamic. So here you can see it like a review parts. So just remove this comment, and here also you can remove, and here you can see it like spacing, like here you can put like a space, like a for each dollar get product review, dollar get review products, and here we can pass like a dollar review. Okay, and here you can make like a and for each. So let's remove other things we don't need, so why we can leave it. Okay, I think we have made wrong condition. Here is to start condition like a review. So just you can put outside here like a one bunch here starting. So here also one bunch, and we need to go scroll down, here also one bunch, means here stopped. So let's refresh the page so we can check we are getting or not getting. Okay, so let's go back again, refresh the page here, just go to review. I think we need to log in, we need to check which against we have made review in last video. So just log in as the admin, and after we need to go to admins here and go to orders and details for the completed. Here is a review there, so just go to for this website. So we have did here review. Okay, so I think is already there. So let's remove last one so we can understand is there not there. Just remove this one, we don't need anymore. Okay, and also you can remove these conditions. I don't think this condition is good, so just you can remove. Sorry, not comment, not condition. Here you can see the name, who is a provide the review, so just you can put his name. Okay, and after we need to scroll down, so here we need to write our review. So just you can remove this review content, we just need to provide like a product size here there. Useful and helpful content also we don't need, just remove. And here you can put it like a review. So just wait, and here you can type like a review. So what is the there here, review. So just copy and paste here. Okay, so let's go back and refresh the page so we can check it's working not working. And also here like 6 days ago, so I already write the script like a carbon, just copy for the script you need to type, because I already find out like other place, and I just put here like carbon slash like purse, and inside you can pass, and after you can do the different from humans, and here you can change the variable name like a review inside a created at. Okay, so let's go back again, refresh the page so we can check it's working not working. I will refresh the page and I just go to review, so you can see like good showing is working. Suppose I can make like a big review, so just copy and I just put here, and I change here, I don't know what is this. Okay, now I just fill and I paste here, and I just refresh the page here, so you can see it like a big review, you see. And who is a provide admin, and here is also star. We have not made dynamic, makes rating, and here you can see like 1 days ago. Okay, same thing I can make same product id 7 because he did other product, I know, but just I'm changing the database so I can show you here. Just refresh the page, so here you can see 2 reviews, you see, admin, I know name is the same. Suppose you can change it like user id also here, like 3 you can made, and after refresh the page, suppose there, so you can show you. So you see test admin 1, and here is another guys, means it is working very well, no any issue. Now here we need to show dynamic like a 2. So just need to find inside a product model inside we need to make a has many, and has many against we need to make a condition, because we need to do always count every place. So just go to product models, and here you can go scroll down, and just scroll down, so here you can see get image we did, get category we did, get subcategory did. Same thing we can do it here inside a product review model. So just copy paste, and here you can make like get total review. Okay, and here you can see it like a product review models, and here you can change the like a product id. And also you need to make join query same as you did inside a review model like this join query. So just copy and paste here, and after you need to make a count. Okay, so now we are done inside a product model function like get total review. So just copy this model, and here you can change like a has many, belongs to has many. Okay, now you can copy this name get total review, and you can go back to detail page, and here you can make dynamic. What is the dynamic? Get product, and here you can put like a get total review. Okay, just copy this name also, and you can go up, and here also is there get total review. So here you can put also, just scroll up again, and here also you can find out anywhere there. Here you can see it. So here also you can make dynamic get total review. Okay, let's go back again and refresh the page so we can check it's working, not working. So it is right now showing the 2 because of is already there 2 here. You can see it here. This is done. Let's copy same thing inside database, and I can put directly go buttons. So here need to show 3 now because of we have made dynamic. You can see 3 review, also here showing 3 review, and also you can see it here. So everything is dynamic. Okay, now we need to put here start dynamic. After we need to put here start dynamic. So what we can do it here, we need to create a new function inside a product review model, because of here is a working as a percentage wise. You can see it here like every percentage like 20%. So is it 5 parts available this reason. So you can see it. Where is the review? Just scroll up. Okay, here you can see percentage. So what we can do it inside a product review models, here we need to create a new function, static function get percentage, get percent. Okay, just you can type like get percent, whatever do you want to like. And here, okay, remove these statics, I don't need static here. Just function, public function get percent. Here we can use like get rating dollar this rating, whatever database name column name there, you need to use this column like here you can see it like a rating. Okay, after you need to check like if rating is equal to 1, so we need to return 20%, like 20. Else if rating is equal to 2, so we need to return 40. Just copy paste and you can do it. Same thing you can copy 3 and 4 and 5. So here you can do it like a 3, so it means 60. Here you can make like a 4, so 80, and here you can do it like a 5th, so it means 100. And else part also you can return as a 0. And here you can pass like a return 0. Okay, so let's go back and we can use direct this function inside a detail. So simply you can go to back detail.blade.php, and here you can change get review means a review, and here you can pass get percent. Okay, let's go back again, refresh the page so we can check it's working, not working. So simply you can refresh the page here, and here you can see it like 155 and here is 4. So here you can see like 5 5 and 4. Suppose I can make here 3, and I can back again refresh the page and I go to review, so you can see 3 5 4 means it is working very well, no any issue. Okay, now we need to work here pagination, because sometimes the 20 video review we are show, but sometimes is a much more, so we always need a pagination. So back again product review, and here you can pass like a 1 right now because we need to use pagination how it's work. Go to detail.blade.php, here you need to write a pagination code. So simply you need to go to any products, sorry, admin side, and you can go to product, and inside you can list, and just copy this pagination code and you can put here. And after you need to change here name get record to get review products, and after you can go back and refresh the page so we can check it's working, not working. So just go back again and we can check, so it's working very well, we have no issue. So here you can put like pagination wise go, so you can change it, you see, so it's working very well. And okay, so this is the also add to wish list also working. Okay, So it's, you can see it's working very well. Now you can back to again 20, whatever there, otherwise 30, 40, whatever you can do it. But I just made like a 20. Okay. So let's go back again, and I just remove this page 3 here, and I refresh the page. So you can see it in this video what I explained. First we have get the data after we have made like 1 day ago, and after we have made star how it's work I also explained, and also how to make like count also I explained. Next video we can make like average. What is the our side average available? So we can get the average, and after we can pass the percentage, and percentage wise we can check. So how it's working, let's make here like a different average like a 3.5. So here we can see like a 3.5 wise average how we can show also. We need to put here also review count, so people can understand like a review count also need, and also we need to provide a average. So next video I will show you. In this video we can make like a product detail page inside a review listing. Okay. And do you have any question about this video? So please comment out. And do you want to like this video? So please like. And do you want to see like this video more? So please subscribe our channel. And thank you for watching Error Solutions.